This is how God must feel if God owned 6 custom aquariums. Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room, and today's video we're setting up the second of our 3 new racking system. We've got the aquariums just arrived today. Mrs. Aquadiction's about to paint the backs of these. We've just set up the rack to have some foam, as when you have glass based tanks you need padding at the bottom. We're going to go for the fluval U3 filters again, because they've done a really good job at keeping the aquariums clear rather than sponge filters. So yeah, let's see how we get on stage 2. And 7 to 8 minutes later we have set up the aquariums. I've got to say, this is how God must feel if God owned 6 custom aquariums. We are super happy with the way this is starting to turn out. I'll talk you through what we've put in so far and what our plans are. So this middle one, possibly my favourite tank right now, just has our Narayan barbs, quite a rare sort of mid-sized barb. Don't see them often. I personally really like these. There's also a couple of red panda barbs in here. These are the ones that we bred ourselves. So the stocking for this tank, we're going to do Narayan barbs and red panda barbs. So we're going to get the red panda barbs out of our main aquarium, and we're going to stick them in here. This top aquarium, we've decided we are going to put in our Borneo redfin silver sharks, just because they're getting a little bit tattered on their tails. You can see it on the camera, I think, and we think that might be down to the Leporinus. So this is going to be turned into a Leporinus aquarium for the most part. We haven't worked out exactly what we're going to do, but we're going to be tearing that down today and changing our minds probably 20-30 times. So that's that one. The white substrate we're much happier with than the dark substrate. It doesn't look bad, but I just feel that the dark substrate was a better choice. This top aquarium, we're still struggling to get any sort of water clarity, even with 2 internal filters now with filter floss stuffed in them. I think that's down to the king tiger plecos. They're always stirring up stuff and yeah, making it mucky all the time. And down here for now we've put in our Santa Maria endless strain. Just they probably will come out at some point, but we just needed a bit of tank space to put them somewhere, because most of our tanks, we've sort of pulled out a rack here and we're going to get a sofa here, so we can kind of start to enjoy the fish room again, rather than just have a fish room that we just walk around. And we can actually sit in here and enjoy the fish room for a change. So yeah, overall we're really happy with this. The second lot of aquariums I measured better. These are custom aquariums and they go right to the end, whereas this one I should have got longer aquariums. But so might have to come back and redo these 3 when we finish the 3rd rack with white substrate. But overall we're super happy with the way it's turned out, much better than the other side. And yeah, we're going to spend the rest of the day trying to catch these guys out. So it'll be like a top tank will be the big barbs, probably the Denison and the silver Borneo sharks, mid-sized barbs, and eventually dwarf barbs, and just have like a barb rack. So yeah, that's our current plans. Apologies for not doing a video recently, guys. We've just been super busy, one thing after the other, kids, animals, work, yeah. But yeah, that's our update. Oh, we also lost quite a few fish during the heat wave in the UK. Our Cories, our CW 27s, all of them gone. We lost some pencil fish. What else did we lose? We lost some rasboras. It's just the heat was impossible to manage. We floated ice and plastic bottles filled with ice, but because we have to work, we just couldn't keep up with it. And yeah, so we had quite a few casualties in the fish room over the last couple of weeks. Totally gutted about. Okay, well that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any opinions on the new rack and how it's going, just let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.